Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to write essays in ChatGPT. Firstly, open chat.openai.com. Tap on New Chat on top left corner. Type any topic you want to write essay on. Let's write generate 5 ideas for articles about benefits of exercise. It will explain you the whole essay in just a few seconds. Let us type generate 5 headlines for an article about benefits of exercise. It will generate 5 headlines within seconds. Now let us try generate an introduction for an article about benefits of exercise. It will generate a brief introduction about a topic. Now for the next part, let's write generate an online or outline for an article about benefits of exercise. It will provide you the whole headlines, including introduction with different subheadings, body with further headings. In the end, write its conclusion with recap of comprehensive benefits of exercise, and you can also paraphrase any sentence as per your choice. Let us try paraphrasing the sentence. Exercise is important for maintaining physical and mental health. It will generate a whole new setup or new sentence with the same meaning. By ChatGPT, you can also find sources to verify exercise improves mental health. It says, while I cannot directly provide or find real-time sources, but I can guide you on where to find reliable information. You can also find the synonyms of the word exercise. If it's taking too much time, maybe there is an internet problem. Open your new tab and write chat.openai.com and type generates a conclusion for an article about benefits of exercise. It will give you a proper conclusion. That is how you can write essays on any topic with the help of ChatGPT. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.